One-button home theater setup like I'd been envisioning from the beginning. One button, screen comes down, projector turns on, receiver turns on, sets the input, turns on the Apple TV, and the room is transformed from normal living room to dedicated.
Now on your LG CineBeam AI ThinQ projector, hold the Prime Video button on your LG Magic Remote for 2 seconds. This lets Alexa know it's time to help you get LG CineBeam AI ThinQ projector.